The Whiskey Rebellion began 20 years after the Revolutionary War began in 1791. The United States was in debt because of the war. We had created our own form of government. Alexander Hamilton proposed that the government put a tax on whiskey to pay off some of the debt that we accumulated during the war. Congress passed a tax in 1791. Small farmers in western Pennsylvania were outraged because a large portion of their profit came from distilling their crops into whiskey. After they made the whiskey, they would ship it. With the tax, it not only cost more to ship it, it cost much more for other people to purchase it. With no one purchasing whiskey, it was harder for those farmers to make any sort of income. A rebellion formed, but only within Pennsylvania. The government sent a notice to 75 men informing them that they needed to appear in court for not paying the tax. Farmers spread the news. The federal sheriff is taking away men. Approximately 500 men attacked federal officials, burning the home of one and tar and feathering many others. The rebels formed a militia of 6,000 men and some women. They planned to march to Philadelphia. Philadelphia was the United States capital. Washington got nervous, and he wanted to prevent this from spreading to any other states. He gathered militia from Maryland, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Virginia. Washington was able to assemble 13,000 men. When the protesters heard of what the government was planning, the rebellion crumbled. This left people relieved because they were unsure if the government was strong enough to keep control when anyone took a stand against it.